And you say direction. So, this is my right hand. So put your right hand in the air. Now, this is your right hand. Right, left, right, left, yeah? So put your right hand in the air. Right hand. Right, right, oh sorry, right, right, okay. And I'm walking backwards, yeah? I'm turning left. I'm turning right. I'm walking forwards. So, Fuji, stand up, please. One, right. Okay. Walk forwards, please. Walk backwards. Turn left. Walk backwards. Good. Stop. Turn left. Good boy, stop. Walk backwards. Walk backwards. Walk backwards. Stop. Turn right. No, that's left. Turn right. Food, we want to get to the bank so we can get money. Yeah? So we're going to put the bank here. But on the way to the bank, we see an elephant. Yeah? And then we see a bird. And the bird bites us on the nose. So we have to go to hospital. Yeah? So 3. Right, 4. Yeah. Hang on a minute. Wait. Right, so we've gone forwards for 4 places and we reached the elephant. So now what do? We want to go to the seagull. So we need to go right. Turn right. Like this? Yeah, like that, here. That's it, turn right. And then, what do we need to do? Turn right again. Yeah? Put it here.